Watching your favorite show late at night and trying not to disturb anyone? Or just want crystal clear audio without filling the whole room? You can connect headphones to your Roku TV in just a few minutes once you know where to look. In this video, I'll show you 2 reliable methods that work. We'll cover how to pair wireless headphones directly and how to use the Roku mobile app for private listening, making it easy no matter what devices you have. Let's start with the direct Bluetooth method. Keep in mind, not all Roku TVs support direct Bluetooth audio. If you don't see the option I'm about to mention, skip ahead to the second method. From the Roku home screen, go to Settings, then select Remotes and Devices and choose Wireless Headphones. After that, select Add New Wireless Headphones. Now put your headphones into pairing mode. This is important because the TV won't detect them unless pairing mode is active. Also, make sure your headphones are not already connected to another device like your phone or laptop. Once your TV finds them, select the device name from the list and confirm the connection. After that, your TV audio should immediately start playing through your headphones. If your TV doesn't support direct Bluetooth or you prefer another option, the second method uses the Roku mobile app for private listening. This works on most Roku devices. Start by downloading the Roku mobile app on your phone. Make sure your phone and your Roku TV are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network, meaning the same router and not a guest network. A network mismatch is one of the most common reasons this fails. Next, connect your headphones to your phone, either through Bluetooth or a wired connection. Open the Roku app, go to the Remote tab, and tap the headphone icon to enable private listening. When you turn this on, your TV audio streams through your phone and into your headphones. Now let's quickly cover troubleshooting. If your headphones are not appearing during Bluetooth setup, confirm they have enough battery and are still in pairing mode. If they were previously connected to another device, disconnect them first before trying again. If the Roku app isn't detecting your TV, double check that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. If it still doesn't connect, close the app completely, reopen it, reconnect to your Roku, and try enabling private listening again. You've now checked connection problems, Wi-Fi settings, and device compatibility. In most cases, one of these 2 methods will fix it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Let me know in the comments if you use Bluetooth or the app. Thanks for watching and see you next time.